Physics channel. Students, in this session I am going to discuss about energy stored in an inductor and choke coil. For suppose if we connect inductor with an AC source, current will flow through that inductor that produces magnetic flux around the inductor. Due to that, there will be an induced EMF. According to Faraday's second law, that induced EMF opposes the change in magnetic flux. Look at here. From Faraday's laws, induced EMF E equal to minus d phi by dt. Okay, so here minus d by dt instead of phi I can write in terms of self inductance and current, that is L into I. Okay, then E equal to minus L into di by dt. Students, here this induced EMF opposes the change in magnetic flux. Already now we discussed. But to maintain current in AC circuit, applied EMF should be equivalent opposite to induced EMF. Look at here. To maintain current in circuit, applied EMF E should be equivalent opposite to induced EMF. That is E equal to capital E equal to minus E. So minus, in the place of E I will write minus L into di by dt. Minus L into di by dt. So minus into minus plus, I will get L into di by dt. For suppose if small charge dq is flowing in circuit in small interval of time dt, then power is equal to dw by dt. Look at here. If small charge dq is flowing in small time dt, then power P equal to dw by dt. Okay, so here dw by dt means power. That power I can write E into I. Okay, so here instead of this E I will write L into di by dt. Look at here, L into di by dt, okay, into I. So this dt and this dt cancelled. So what we got? We got dw equal to L into I into di. Okay. If I want to calculate total work, I will take integrations on both sides. Look at here. Now take integrations on both sides. On both sides. Look at here, I will get integral dw is equal to integral L into I di. Here I will take limits for current, that is lower limit 0, upper limit I naught, that means peak value of current or maximum value of current. Okay, so I will write L outside here, integral 0 to I naught I into di. Okay, integral dw, w. So w is equal to L into integral I with respect to di, that is I square by 2, close the bracket, upper limit I naught and lower limit 0. If you substitute upper limit minus lower limit, we will get half into L into I naught square. Okay, so I got W equal to half into L into I naught square. So this work done will be converted into energy here. That energy will be stored in inductor. So instead of W, I can write U. Look at here. Here W equal to U, that is energy stored in inductor. Therefore, U equal to half into L I naught square. L I naught square. So I got energy stored in inductor. Students, now choke coil. A device which is used to reduce alternating current without consuming power is called choke coil. Usually, where we use these choke coils? In tube lights, in mercury lamps, in sodium lamps, we use these choke coils. For suppose, if there is no choke coil in tube light, what happens? Then tube light can't bear that much voltage, like 220 voltage we are using. So, under 220 voltage, at that current, tube light will be spoiled. Due to that, we use choke coil in tube light. Generally, we have two types of choke coils. One is AF choke, another one is RF choke. AF choke means audio frequency choke. RF choke means radio frequency choke. AF choke, which is used to reduce low frequency of alternating current. And RF choke, which is used to reduce high frequency of alternating current. In AF choke, we use soft iron core, whereas RF choke, we use air core. So that's about choke coil. Students, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you.